Abundance is something that comes to me every day. I share my gifts and talents with the world. I love others and others love me. I inspire people to be prosperous. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I trust life gives me what I need at the right time. I am in perfect alignment with my life's purpose. I nurture positive thoughts in my mind and I say no to negative thinking. I care for my abundant nature. My abundance is overflowing, so I give to others whenever I can. I allow for passion and fun to be abundant in my life. Each day I gain new experiences to learn and grow from. In order to become more abundant, I seek inspiration and guidance from abundant people. I follow my intuition that guides me towards abundance. I invest in myself through learning about all I need towards subjects I'm interested in. I allow for abundance to manifest itself in my life. Every day, opportunities come my way that push me towards an abundant existence. I have a right to have all that I need and all that I desire. The more often I think of abundance coming my way, the more I see abundance in my life. Abundance is my way of life. The more I help others, the more wonderful things that happen in my life. It is easy for me to see different ways to become more abundant. I visualize my life full of all I need and more. When I think of abundance, I see all people around me abundant as well. I am dedicated to living a life full of wonderful things. Feeling abundant makes for amazing things to happen on a daily basis. I share my abundance with others. I am so proud about all the hard work I put into becoming abundant. I desire for everyone in the world to have all that they need and want. Abundance is something everyone deserves, including me.